Hello everyone and welcome. This tutorial will be about troubleshooting when it comes down to bonding the AsteraBox to our AsteraApp. There's a few things such as is your location turned on, which is necessary, and also Bluetooth in general has some flaws, but we also have some tips and tricks how to then regain the connection between the AsteraBox and the app. The first thing we come to is location services must be turned on. Currently that's only for Android devices, but if you do have an iOS device, can highly recommend just on both kind of devices, Android, iOS, to have the location services turned on. I mentioned at the beginning that Bluetooth do have some flaws. Let's say the device goes into standby, disconnects with the AsteraBox. When you then go out of the standby mode, open up your device, maybe the connection fails. But what we are coming to next is tips and tricks, and also something that is already described in a pop-up in the app. When this happens, how you can reconnect or rebond with your AsteraBox. Now, if this little pop-up shows up, also in the pop-up is 4 steps describe what you can do to regain the connection between the AsteraBox and the app. It's also written here on the right side. First of all, we of course need to make sure that the AsteraBox is turned on. We can see it at the little blue LED diode when blinking with this speed as we see here right now, then it's turned on. Another thing you can try is to power off the AsteraBox and then on again by holding down here for a couple seconds. Now it's off. Then we can press the button here again and then it comes on. Wait a little bit until the LED diode blinks with this speed. Now, when doing these steps, it can also be a good idea to unbond and delete the AsteraBox from the app. And once you have done, like let's say turned off the AsteraBox and then on again, then rebond like you normally would do from the very beginning. The third thing we can do is actually to delete the AsteraBox from your device Bluetooth settings. So let's just press OK to this one right here. Then we can go down here and go into our device settings into Bluetooth. And here mine is the 175. Forget this device, forget. And then we can go back into the app and simply just tap our AsteraBox. Wait for a little bit, and now it asks for the code. In my case, it's this right here, pair, and then we are up running again. The fourth thing can be that your device has a stock Bluetooth stack, and the way to fix this is simply just to turn off your device and then back on again. Once it's up running, try to rebond the AsteraBox with the app, and then you are good to go. So just to do a little recap on what we just went through, because of the flaws of the Bluetooth, we have written down the steps you can try out whenever the connection fails with the AsteraBox when trying to bond it. And everything is, of course, written here on the right side. So this was some tips and tricks troubleshooting when bonding the AsteraBox with the AsteraApp. Thank you for watching.